All right, guys, hopefully I am the first one with this video. This is a new color scheme for the Salem villas. 2023. Clean, all white. It's got the blue pinstripes. Look at this one though. It's got the trees in the background, like a forest. The mountains behind it. I love this blue. Electric blue. Look at this. Huge windows all the way around. Recliners up front. Ceiling fan. Sliding glass door. Fireplace, Bluetooth soundbar. Huge residential fridge. And look at the floor. This is new for the 2023s. I love the flooring I did before, but I might like this better. I don't know, either one would work for me. I like the squares on this. There's no carpet. This is kind of like a mesh material. A little easier to pick up after people. Oh, vacuum system. The built-in dustpan. Move that up. It'll suck everything right into a filter for you. Nice bathroom. Look at the bedroom. King size bed. Plenty of closet space. I love the pillows they give you. You have a door, an entrance door that goes right into your bedroom from the outside. Look at this, tall ceilings. Oh, I forgot a couple lights. Nice. I love those little accent lights. Just make the whole camper pop. Thank you guys so much. Once again, this is a Salem villa. This one I believe is a 35 foot. It's nothing crazy. I do have some of the 42 foots in stock, if that is what you're looking for. Thank you guys so much.